Hey everybody, so today we have notes again. We're going to continue with graphs, and this one is lesson goal 1.1.2, read and draw a line graph. Okay, it has a similar name to the section we did before this. The section before was called line plot. This one's called line graph. Okay, so write that down. Remember, you're watching this and copying it, kind of like if I was in the classroom right now writing this on the board. Okay, so copy it, then you're going to take a picture of it and submit it back. That way you get credit. Today's notes, it's short, it's only one page. This is the only definition we have here. That's the definition of a line graph. It's basically a type of graph that uses points connected by line segments. So here we see the points, right? And then they're connected by line segments. These line segments, okay? Pretty straightforward. I put title up here because it usually does have a title, right? This is called the horizontal axis and the vertical axes. Horizontal is like this, and vertical is like that. Okay, so at this point I would pause this and copy it all down, and then I'm going to continue with the example. We only have one example. We'll go ahead and put it all on there. So there's our example, right? We basically have a bunch of data in a table, and they want us to draw a line graph that represents that. Okay, in the examples that we have, I'm pretty sure, where'd my pencil go? Most of them already have the axes drawn in like this. If they don't, just make sure it's long enough for all your points, or high enough for your values here, and then your numbers in here. Okay. So if I wanted to start graphing these or making my line plot, first thing I have to do is put down the points, and then the second thing I have to do is draw a line to connect the points. Okay. So this table represents cars sold in certain years, and then this 6.6, it's not 6.6 cars sold, it's 6.6 million cars sold. Okay, so anyway, in 1997, 6.6 million cars sold. So go to 1997, I said 1997. Go to 1970. And then go up to 6.6. So here's 1970. We're going to go up and then kind of 6.6. Now these aren't going to be exact. It's a pretty good estimation. It's kind of in the middle of 6 and 7. That's good. Okay, I did that guy. Then go over to the next set of numbers, 1975, 6.7. So for 1975, 6.7. This one is just slightly above it. You probably won't even notice. But it's slightly above it, right? 6.6, 6.7. And then we have, for 1980, we have 6.4 million cars sold. Again, that one's going to be right around here, and maybe a little bit lower. So for 1980, let's say the middle is there. So it's going to be right below there. Okay. We did 1980. And then 1985, 8.2. So for this one, you will see a big change. 1985, go all the way up to like 8.2. There it is there. Right, did that one. 1990, it's going to drop back down to 6. 1990. 6 is here. I think I need to raise that point, but I'm going to leave that one there for now. 95, 6.4. So 6.4 and in 95 and 1990 they sold the same amount of cars. Okay. So technically, this point and this point should have the same height because they sold the same amount of cars. So now after you're done plotting all the points, then you just connect them with line segments. Because again, look at the definition. It's a type of graph that uses points connected by line segments. So we have our points. Now we need our line segments. You can use a ruler to kind of make these lines a little bit nicer. I'm gonna use one. So there's one. Looks like it kind of dips down a little. Then it's gonna go up. Then it goes back down. Then it goes up slightly. Okay. And that's it. I'm done. Done with the examples. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. And that's it. So try the assignment, and if you have any questions, just ask while we're in our Zoom meeting.